Guys, today I'm going to be playing Bee Simulator. Woohoo! Now just want you to join. Okay. I just saw this on the front page and I was like, is that like Bee Swarm? And I really want to check it out. I haven't actually logged onto it yet. Watched a little bit of the video though. Now I'm going to collect pollen. Buttercups are a great place to start. Talk to the bears to get your first quest. Store more pollen and do more damage. Okay. Wait. What? Oh, you're an actual. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Hello there, little bee. Would you mind getting 5 sweet buttercups for me? Sure, I'll do that. 500 honey. What's a buttercup again? Is this a buttercup? I think it is. Quests. Okay, yeah, that was 1 buttercup. 2 buttercups. Huh? I don't. Oh, I think I have to sell. Maybe. Wait, do I have to sell? Okay, a buttercup. So how many buttercups have I got? Got 1 buttercup. Interesting. Okay. Got another buttercup. Wait, is this another? Yeah, that's buttercup. Start. Nom, nom, nom. Like how it's just eating it. It's so pleasant. Okay, what? Can I afford anything? No. Dang, that's good. Okay, let's just. Waiting. Just eating a buttercup. Waiting, just eating a buttercup. We're done. I am filming. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ah. How many buttercups have I got? Yeah. Ha ha ha. 1 more buttercup. So wait, what do I get after achievement? No. Okay. Boom. What's the capacity? Wait, is there only 10? No way, it's only 10. Okay, it's 15. I reckon we should get more. Okay. Wait, I just noticed something with the eyes. When you're not moving, they're just straight. When you're moving, they're all curled up. That's pretty cool. It's a cool feature they didn't have to add, but they did. Okay, nice. Let's just go sell. Wait, can I get any more quests from you? Come back soon. In a minute. Is there any other quests that I could get? Possibly. Oh, over here. Hi. And small they are just random. 10 daisies? That's a lot. You're asking for 10 days. Let me just go. Okay, I can defeat one here. Oh. Did I defeat it? That counts. I am not complaining. My gosh, my eyebrows itchy. Oh, what? No. It's the one. Okay, I'll just shoot. Hurry. Go. Oh, hey there. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, what's this? Dang it. Yeah. That one, you're smart. Take this one. Let's go. Roses. Dang, that's quite a lot. I like that guy. He doesn't make it that hard. Okay, let me just 5 buttercups. That's easy. See what I mean? This guy's so nice and easy. Everyone always likes the easy guy. He makes challenges easy. Okay, just sell that and I go for 2 more buttercups. Achievements. Oh, hunt free 100 honey. Dang, oh. Damn. I'm not making that much progress. I'm probably gonna skip half of it. I'm definitely gonna have to grind and stuff a bit. 100%. Don't even have to think a tiny little bit about that. 35. Sell and go for it. Go. Okay. We're gonna do the daisy one. Never mind, we're gonna do the buttercup one. Buttercup's easy. We just need 1 more buttercup. Here's a buttercup. Damn, that went quick. Okay, I can claim that. Collect that many flowers. That's a lot. Sorry, flowers. Maybe one. I'll do the daisy one. I'm definitely gonna have to stop and grind a bit. I hate when I can't film it. Because then you guys can't see the full experience. Honestly, you probably wouldn't know Honor, so it would take a long time. Done? Is that a daisy? Heck yeah. Good. There. And now, go. Okay, good. Nice. Go to this one. Yeah, that's the buttercup. Go to this daisy. Hazelnut, plain. This is pretty hard. NGL. When I've finished this, no, that's the wrong daisy. Is this the one? No. Where was it? Whatever, I'm gonna pause, do a bit of grinding, and I'll be back when I'm a bit better. Okay, so I have made a bit of progress. I've got in the next area. It's a lot harder. There's pool loops. A lot better. I do like over 10 damage each thing, whatever. I got, what's this? Okay, I got a lot of backpack space. Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Honestly, probably just gonna finish this quest and I can finish it right here. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna end it here. I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like, smash sub, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Wait. Before I say bye, just guys, I want to see how much this does now. Oh my. Guys. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash likes, smash subs, do whatever. Yes. Do everything. Help me. Share the video with all your friends. Because I really need help to get people to actually see me. Okay, I'm just gonna end it there. Smash like button, smash sub, and I'll see you guys. Wait, before I go, I noticed this code. I actually found this myself. It's called Hive. I've already used it, but yeah. Smash like, smash sub, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!